Hello everyone and welcome to the Finland Academy. So in these days we were completely facing a certain kind of variations at 11,450, but in a previous week we have seen the prices are able to move above this level, and somewhere somewhat the prices has closed around 11,400 level. So it is in a one kind of the more positivity that we are getting from the market. That means it continued to breach its resistance without violating any kind of the support level. So in this week it again propels a certain kind of a positivity on the higher side. From a pattern perspective, if we see that, means there are certain kind of the bullish reversals patterns or continuations pattern we normally find. So on a very minute scale, we can say that there is a kind of the cup and handle pattern it has created over here, and we have seen a kind of the upper side momentum. Means let's say on the other side, if we look at the 60-minute time frame where we'll get a little bit more clarity. So this is the kind of prices were facing a resistance at around 11,370, and we have seen the upside momentum came down, but again it has started to pick up its momentum above this level. So it is in a positivity or continuation of the positive move we can see. Secondly, if I look at a Nifty Bank chart also, means as of now many of the stocks has started to perform on the rotation basis, but banking stocks has remained behind. But now with this development we can see that prices has continued to form a certain kind of consolidation patch, but within that consolidation patch there are a certain kind of the range that we have seen, but the immediate point of the range it has started to broken out, or we can say that it has created a certain kind of the complex head and shoulder pattern, and now it is able to pierce the shoulder point of this. So this is a kind of the failure of this bearish reversal pattern. So failure of the bearish reversal pattern also indicates a certain kind of the positive momentum. So earlier, as the rotation was kept on happening from the different stocks, and the banking stocks has remained aloof, but now the next drive of the momentum is coming into the market. There is a high possibility that it will be contributed by the financial stocks spaces. So on the high side, if you look at the Nifty, so coming back to the Nifty again, so on the high side, if you are looking at the Nifty point, so let's say as of now it is starting to pick up a good momentum on the high side, and if I use the Fibonacci extension on the recent up move that has unfolded over here, so we know that means for Fibonacci extensions we need to select 3 points. So let's say this is what my immediate move went up to this point, and again it has came down to this level. So I can see that means the very first upside momentum target based on the extensions comes at around 11,600. Not just based on the Fibonacci extensions, but we will try to integrate the price actions as well. So at an 11,600, if I'm putting my horizontal line and going back and see what is its relevance. So in the past I can say that means somewhere somewhat the prices has taken a certain kind of the resistance at around 11,600 level. So my broken resistance or certain kind of the important key level will act as a resistance point in a coming days. Or if I have to make a one range out of this, so let's say if I see the next best level, that is what 138.2% retracement level I can say. So if I'm just picking this level as well, so it also captures a certain kind of very important levels. Means let's say this is the point it is capturing over there. So based on the price actions and the Fibonacci extensions, it gives us a little bit broader range. That means on the high side 11,600 to 11,800 is an immediate resistance band for it. But of course, the underlying tone remains the positive for the market. As far as index sustains above this, it's in an immediate level. Like this is what 11,100 level. So as far as the 11,100 level is intact, the things are on the positive side. On the higher side, if the positive momentum has to continue on the upside, so 11,600 to 11,800 is the next best potential resistance zones for now. Bank Nifty has given the very good breakouts, so it seems that means now the Bank Nifty is likely to back in its mojo. So let's see that how the things unfolds. So whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.